your smile shines through the dark clouds, envelops me so completely. I hope this moment lasts forever. Warm memories of a rainy day. It's okay if the sky cries. I'm not afraid when I'm with you. Keep the warmth, the love that I feel under this umbrella, just us two. Under the umbrella on a rainy day, singing our love in every way, so that this moment can last forever. I hope to be with you forever. The sound of falling rain is our secret, a time to share our hearts. The deeper this love grows, closer we become, never apart. The stories we shared and they made, the path we walked holding small hands, feeling your warmth close to me, singing the love of a rainy day. Even a cloudy sky